In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical menu in Elementor. So in order to do this, what we can do is we first need to head over right here into our elementor.com, and then from in there, make sure to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option or click onto this Login option in order to log into one. So if you already have an account, you can just log in. So from there, just head over to WordPress.com. We will use WordPress to host Elementor. So click on this Get Started or Login option that we can see in here as well. So in my case, I've already have an account on both, so let me head over and log in. This is my Elementor and this is what it looks like. So what we can do is we can head over and then just click on it. It will open it into our WordPress. And then from in there, you can just see the things that we can actually use. For example, right here, let's head over and click on this Create New Page. And then what this will do is this will open a new page with your Elementor. Alternatively, you can also use templates with vertical menu option. So in my case, I already have in here this, so you can just add widgets. So in order to add widget, you can head over and then just search in here for a widget that you would want. So for example, let's add in here, or you can search for vertical menu. If you indeed search for menu anchor, we only have in here this menu option. So you can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. So it's typically right here into this part. So you just head over and drag it right there. So as you can see, this part is actually only available under the Pro plan of your Elementor. So make sure to purchase it altogether. But once you're done with that, you can actually just use it. Or alternatively, if you don't want to purchase it and you still want the vertical menu, you can head over right here to your widgets and just choose headings and add it right here just like this, and then format these headings in order to have some links or hyperlinks that is linked right here just like this one. So that's how you create the vertical menu in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.